He failed to kill the blood demon, and was killed instead. But he woke up 16 years in the past. Tang Se-woon was a demonic artisan driven by nothing but hatred and revenge. Everyone precious to him was gone. His clan, his father. No one remained. With nothing left to lose, he set his target on the blood demon. Even his younger self tried to stop him. But he refused to change his path. To kill the blood demon, he forged a new weapon and delivered it himself. But the plan failed, and the blood demon survived and killed him instead. But fate wasn't done with him yet. He opens his eyes in the past, at the most crucial moment of his life. This time, he won't repeat his mistakes. Instead, he will rewrite destiny.